Hi, today Ask F5 shows you how to manage static routes on the big IP system using the configuration utility. You should consider using this procedure when you want to add or delete static routes on a big IP system for destinations that are not located on a directly connected network. When you add a static route, the system saves it in the config big IP CONF file and synchronizes it between devices in the same device group during a config sync. Before you begin, make sure you meet these prerequisites. You have the IP addresses of the gateways for the route destinations. The big IP system has a self-IP address on the same subnet as any static route gateway that you create. And you have admin access to the configuration utility. When adding static routes, ensure that the static route you want to add does not create an asymmetrical routing situation on the big IP system. Asymmetrical routing can cause connection failures and troubleshooting complexity. During config sync, static routes are synchronized to other devices on the same group. Ensure that the route destinations are appropriate for all devices before you initiate a config sync. To add a static route, log into the configuration utility. Go to Network, Routes, and on the route list page, select Add to create a new static route. Enter a name for the static route. For destination, enter the route destination network. For netmask, enter the appropriate netmask for the destination network. Next, select the resource type that the static route will use. There are 4 resource types that you can configure for the static routes using the configuration utility. Use gateway is for a network IP address that is the next hop for the route destination. This address must be on a directly connected network of the big IP system. Use pool is for a pool of gateways that you want to load balance. You must create the pool before you add it to the static route. Use VLAN tunnel is for a route destination that you connect directly to the big IP system. Destination hosts residing on a VLAN typically respond to ARP requests that the big IP system sends, thus providing the big IP system with the destination host MAC address. Reject is for dropping all traffic destined for the route destination. If you select Use Gateway, perform the following steps. For gateway address, select either IP address or IPv6 link local address. Enter the gateway IP address for the next hop. If using the IPv6 link local address, for VLAN tunnel, select the appropriate VLAN tunnel to associate with this gateway. If you select Use Pool, select the appropriate pool from the pool list. This pool represents a set of gateway addresses that the system can load balance as in the next hops. Note that you must have an existing pool or create a pool before you can select it here. If you select Use VLAN tunnel, select the VLAN or tunnel that directly connects to the route destination. In this scenario, the destination hosts typically respond to ARP requests from the big IP system, allowing it to learn their MAC addresses. If you select Reject, the system drops all traffic destined for the route destination. This is useful when you want to explicitly black hole traffic to a particular network. After finishing configuration, select Finished. The system saves the static route configuration to the config big IP CONF file. You can also delete static routes. When doing so, ensure that removing the route does not result in route destination unreachable situations for pool members or other resources on the big IP system. Deleting a required static route can cause traffic to fail. To delete a static route, log into the configuration utility if you're not already logged in. Go to Network, Routes. On the route list page, locate the static route you want to delete and select the checkbox next to it. Then select Delete. And select Delete again to confirm. That's it. If you have questions or comments, please send us an email. Thanks for watching.